How to update Intel graphics drivers in your Windows 10 11. Okay, I will show you the perfect process. So let me start with the video. Okay, come to the search bar and go to the control panel. You can search in the search bar and come to the control panel here, and here you can see the view by option. Make it large only, and you can search for device manager. You can click on it and you can open that device manager. So there is another way. You can just right click on the start button and go to the device manager. Okay, so same window will be open. Okay, now here you can see like this. Okay, so come to the view option and make sure you have select that show hidden device. It will be show all. Okay, now here the display that Intel UHD graphics driver you can see. Okay, you can right click on it and go to the property, go to the drivers. Here you can see your Intel, the provider of the company. Okay, it is Intel. Okay, here the driver date and the driver version, and here from here you can go to the update drivers here. So you can install from your window files. Come to the files, go to the pickup and select that Intel HD driver and just click on next, so it will be reinstalled. Okay, or you can simply search automatically from internet. So my driver is already updated, or best driver I am using, so you can see that drivers. You can search update drivers on window updates. Okay, so this also option you can select that, but before that come to the settings and here come to the systems and go to the window updates and make sure your window update has been window updates is enabled. Okay, once you enable, you can go to the search update drivers. So in your update, so it will be show. If it is there updation, it will be start updating. Okay, and there is one more options. You can directly download from this Intel. I will show you. Okay, so come to the browser. Okay, so here I am on the browser. So what we can search Intel driver list. Okay, so you can see the list of drivers Intel graphics. Just click on it. Okay, so come to the your window. So I am using window 11. Just go for window 11, and here 64 bytes or whatever you have. So we have 64 bytes, and this is a processor. You need to check processor also. Come to the your device manager, and here enter the processor. You can check your processor. My current processor is 12th generation Intel whatever. Okay, generation graphics. Okay, so here you need to select. Okay, so these drivers enable. Okay, this driver for 12th generation Intel. So let me check 12th. Okay, so I can download this. Okay, so just download it from here. So it will be start downloading. Once it download, just click and install it. So let it download first. Okay, so once it's download, so just click on it, double click on it, so it will be start installing on your computer. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.